Managing stock levels can become a real challenge, especially when you're handling bulk refunds or subscription cancellations. If not managed properly, your stock levels can quickly become inaccurate. But don't worry, we've got a solution. On the product page of this subscription product, you can observe the current stock level. This stock value represents the quantity available for purchase. Let's start by signing up for this digital subscription magazine. This action will create a subscription order, reserving the product stock accordingly. The order has been placed successfully. Let's return to the product page and check the stock level again. As expected, the stock quantity has been reduced based on the subscription order. It's important to note that this code snippet works specifically with the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin. Ensure that the plugin is active for the functionality to execute as intended. Now, let's navigate to WooCommerce Subscriptions in the admin dashboard and locate the subscription we just created. We'll cancel this subscription to simulate a cancellation scenario. Let's refresh the product page now. You can see the stock level has been restored, confirming that the code has executed successfully. And that's it. By integrating this custom snippet, you can automate inventory adjustments for canceled WooCommerce subscriptions.